I'm Nihal and this is NexSpend, an AI-powered financial copilot that helps users track expenses, understand spending habits, and make smarter financial decisions. The dashboard provides an instant overview of spending activity, recent transactions, and financial insights. Now, for the main and important thing, if I click on the plus button in the bottom, that is add expense button, it will automatically provide me this. So I can put in an amount and put in the merchant as in, for example, Amazon or Flipkart, and then it will automatically choose the category. Either no, you can choose the category manually, shopping or anything, right? Now, one important feature I added to make life simpler is if you click on voice entry, you can say like you can see what you want. Like NextSpend supports a voice-powered expense tracking using natural language. So if you say I spend 450 rupees on Starbucks, it will automatically put in the amount as 450 rupees, automatically pick up the merchant as Starbucks, and category will automatically be integrated as food and dining. Now on to the insights. NextSpend analyzes spending behavior and generates meaningful financial insights and spending trends. As you can see here, there's a monthly spending, category breakdown, top merchants, and financial coaching. Now, main thing I can do here is go on to my Copilot, and if I say where did I spend the most amount this month, if I click on this suggestion, it will automatically tell me you spent the most this month in the food and dining category with a total of 3,959 rupees. This accounts for approximately 34% of your total spending, right? After that, there can be a lot of questions, and I can reset it by clicking on this reset button on the top right, and then ask it again. If I want to continue the conversation, I can, but it's much easier for me to like click on the suggestions right now and compare, or let's just say which categories are increasing. So based on the trend analysis, it appears that your spending has decreased by 28.49% compared to previous month, right? Now, this AI copilot uses transaction history and spending patterns to provide personalized financial recommendations. If you want, you can ask it, how can I afford, or if I want to afford AirPods next month and my budget is, for example, 20k, how much have I spent this much and what do I need to do to afford them next month or this month? All right, this will be the main thing. For example, I just gave it my budget, that is 20,000. It will give me the thing that I have shared my budget to. Then if I ask, can I afford AirPods next month that are worth 17,000, right? It will say based on your 20,000 monthly budget and information you have shared in this chat, you have roughly 8,416 available before discretionary spending. I cannot guarantee affordability without the purchase price. So set aside a weekly amount and blah blah blah. It will give you the basics. But then if you want any in detail instructions from it, you can ask that as well. Other than that, I'll come back here to the home page and will click on the top right button, that is for the settings, and I'll go here. Now I can change the currency into INR, USD, or even Euro, right? For now, we'll just keep it as INR. And I can change the appearance. I can manage accounts. That is, if I want to add a debit card, I can't, I won't add any details since that's going against this app's policy right now. But then you can add an UPI ID, and then if I add an expense, I can select the UPI ID as well. Okay, after that, if I click on privacy mode, here, if I enable it and I go out, every expenditure that I've made will be like it will dot dot dot, so it won't be visible to anyone. Because if you want to show your colleague this app or something, you can just enable this for some time if you don't want to show them your expenditure, and you can just go on with your daily life. It hides financial data throughout the application, right? Now just disable it for the ending. We'll go back to the home page, and yeah, NexSpend transforms expense tracking into an intelligent financial decision making experience. Now I've made this app with the help of ChatGPT 5.6 Terra because that was really helpful for me, and that helped me throughout the coding and understanding how I could use the other features as well. Now, my ChatGPT 5.6 powers NexSpend's AI Copilot, enabling natural language financial conversations, personalized spending insights, affordability, analysis, and intelligent recommendation based on the user's actual expense data. NextSpend is more than an expense tracker. It's a personal financial co-pilot designed to help users build better financial habits through AI-powered insights and decision support. Thank you for watching, and I'll be taking more part in more hackathons. Thank you.